All right, make sure, okay, got both cameras going. I'm shooting duels here today. So this is what we've got done today so far. I got to bounce a little early. I'm heading out on an estimate. So this is tongue and groove end matched pine. What do you mean by end matched, doctor? Well, there's actually a tongue and a groove on the ends. Well, it doesn't. Here we go. This one has a groove on the end. So there's virtually no waste. This is our scrap pile so far today, and we're going to use most of this up. So this is called Gorman Pine, and it's a good product. We like it. And here, oh, there's, nope, that's the groove in. We'll get you a tongue. Here's the tongue inside. Okay, there you go. So anyway, we have to get the softening done so the electricians can come back and cut in all their lights, all their can lights and stuff, but it's looking really nice. So we got a few funky spots now. We'll be cutting in a lot of angles tomorrow up into the gutter area. And then even funner is gonna be coming around here and cutting this in. But I think I got that figured out too. So anyway, not a bad day. Good job, guys. And we'll continue on. We actually have a 6-inch hole for our Regal Ideas transformer that sits up in there. Both transformers, the electrical and everything sits up in that hole, and then it's gonna get vented out with a 6-inch vent. Kind of a heavy duty. I found those on Amazon. Pretty cool product, and just 2 screws hold it in place. So that's what I got for you. We're dwindling that pile, and we'll probably get this ran out to here, and then more than likely we'll try to get the lower section going tomorrow so that we can get the electricians back up in here and they can get their lighting installed. So we'll worry about the outside of the deck later or after holiday break. So that's all I got for you today, guys. Hope all's well. Catch you tomorrow. Over and out.